Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Learn Computer Science with Maanik Sharma. In this video I am going to share a very important aspect of PL SQL. Yes, I am talking about procedure. It is normally asked in different academic, competitive exams and in interviews. In this video, initially we will understand the meaning of a procedure. The practical implementation of the procedure has also been given at the end of this video. Let us first understand what is procedure. A procedure in PL SQL is a subprogram unit that comprises of group of PL SQL statements. It is based on the principle that developed ones can be called many times. In PL SQL, a procedure has a unique name by which it can be referred to and called. This subprogram unit in the Oracle database is stored as a database object. That's why it is also known as stored procedure. Some of the important characteristics of procedures are standalone blocks of a program that can be stored in the database. A procedure can be simply called by referring to their name. It is mainly used to execute a process in PL SQL. One of the very important aspects of the procedure is that a procedure in PL SQL can have a return statement to return the control to the calling block, but it cannot return any value through the return statement. Finally, it also needs to be noted that a procedure cannot be called directly from select statements. Procedures can be called from another block or through EXEC keyword. The general syntax of the procedure is create or replace procedure, procedure name, parameters. Is, as, we need to use is or as, declaration, begin, execution part, the statements, the execution block need to be placed in between begin and end. At the end, we need to put semicolon. It need to be noted that in general, there are two different categories of procedures. Procedures with argument, procedures without argument. In the practical implementation, we will learn how to create and execute a procedure with and without arguments. After creation of a procedure, the question that strikes in our mind is how to execute this procedure. The procedure is executed with an EXEC statement. The general syntax of EXEC statement is EXEC, name of the procedure, parenthesis start, arguments if any. At the end we need to put semicolon. If there is no argument, you may simply write EXEC, name of the procedure, semicolon. There is no need to put parentheses. Let us see how the procedure is actually created in Oracle environment. So first of all, we will see how to create a procedure without argument. For this we need to write create or replace procedure, procedure name, say P1, is begin dbms underscore output dot put underscore line, and the message that we want to print, end and slash. So you can observe that a message has been displayed that procedure created. It means a procedure P1 has been successfully created. With this procedure, what we are able to do, we can display the greeting message that is hello world. So how to execute this procedure? So to execute this procedure, we need to write EXEC, stands for execute, and the name of the procedure, semicolon. Now the message is PL SQL procedure successfully completed. So we need to write select set server output on. Now we will write execute P1 semicolon, and now it will display the greeting message that is hello world. So whenever you execute this statement, that is EXEC the procedure will executed and the message will be displayed, that is hello world. Now let us see how to create a procedure with argument. Let's first clear screen. I'm going to use clear screen. Now create or replace procedure P2 eno in number. Here eno is the name of the variable and its data type is number. Is begin. Now say I am writing update EMP set salary is equal to salary plus 2000 where EMP number is equal to eno semicolon. dbms underscore output dot put underscore line record has been successfully updated. End slash. Now you can observe that here one argument has been passed, that is eno, whose data type is number. So we have created a procedure that will update EMP. It will increase the salary of the employee by 2000 whose employee number is equal to the eno, that is the argument that we have passed. At the end this message will be displayed. Now let us see how this procedure will be executed and how it affect the EMP table. So I'm going to display the EMP table first. I'm just setting the line size 120 for the better display. So let us see, select star from EMP. Now for 7369 the salary is 800. Now we will execute the procedure. We will write EXEC P2, the name of the procedure, and we will pass the argument. I am going to pass 7369, that is the employee number of Smith whose salary is 800. We will see how this procedure will actually affect this table. So let us put the semicolon. Now the record has been successfully updated. Now let us check the EMP table again. Select star from EMP. So now you can observe that the salary of Smith, that is 7369, has been updated by 2000. Now its salary is 2800. Likewise, if you write execute P2, if you give the EMP number of Ellen, that is 7499 semicolon. So again record has been successfully updated. Now let's check again. Select star from EMP and you can check that the salary of the Ellen has been updated from 1600 to 3600. So with these kind of methods, with these kind of procedures, we are able to perform different actions. So in this lecture I have explained two different procedures. So one is without argument and second is with argument. I hope that each and every aspect of this session will be clear to all of you. Please do like and share this video. For more update and technical insight of computer science, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.